Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix an application error in Epic Games. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that sometimes while installing Epic Games, we can see an error that shows something like this. So to solve this, we need to follow these steps. Let's get into search and search for run over here. And search for registered and click on OK. Now we need to follow these steps, that is, get into HK local, then machines and software and Microsoft and DirectX. After going with these all steps, we can click on this version. So let's tap on this and we can see this 4.09 over here. So let's change this to 08 and simply click on OK. Now your problem will be solved. Now we can try next option as well. For that, let's get into File Explorer and click on this top over here and search for percentage local app data and enclose it with percentage sign again. Now we need to go to Epic Games Launcher. So here it is. So let's tap on this and right click and we can see this delete option. Simply tap on this and you can try reinstalling Epic Games Launcher as well. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.